Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hamburgers. Oh, that's a nice bun. Some salsa. Oh, some refried beans. A tomato and avocado. Some pepper jack cheese. It's time for my Mexican burger. Mike Foster here. How you doing? It's simple to make. I'm going to season these burgers, throw them on the grill, then I'm going to prep the other stuff. And before you know it, we're going to have a killer diller Mexican cheeseburger. All right, simple. Some salt. There you go. And some fresh ground black pepper. I'll meet you at the grill. This grill is hot. Let's put these burgers on. Season side up. See this little one? That's for my wife. Alrighty. I'm going to set that for 8 minutes. Let's see that. Alright, while that burger is cooking, let's just get this tomato ready. A couple of nice slices. We'll discard that one. There you go. Oh, that's beauty. Perfect. Then you take this avocado. I like to cut the side off, run the knife around it like this. Little twist, and it pulls apart. Then I'm going to run my fingers through it like this, pop it out like that. Give it some nice slices. All right, the prep's done. Let's go check those burgers. Oh yeah, what I like to do now is give them the old crosshead. See how they're like that? So put it the opposite for another 6 minutes. Oh, crap. See you in another 6. All right, it's been another 6 minutes. Let's give these guys a flip. Oh, I think that's perfect. This guy is going to cook faster, so I'm pulling him over here. This guy, look at, he still wants to stand up. Flipperoo. Pull it out. Flipperoo. All right, these guys are cooking fast here. All right, a little more salt. That should be it for this salt. Here's pepper. This is the baby that I'm having for the video. This is my wife's, so I'll pull that one over here. Put these buns right here. There you go. All right, I'll see you in a few when these are done. These buns are just toasted slightly. Put a little mayo on one side. Taking this refried beans and dropping it like it's hot. Putting that baby right here. This makes it the Mexican burger. There's that cheeseburger. Cooked perfectly, I might add. What next? A little mayo on top. Look at this beautiful slice of tomato. A little salsa on there. Want a recipe for salsa? I have it in the links below. Put that avocado right there. There it is. Now the biggest challenge. The old flipperoo. Oh, look at that thing. That's gorgeous. Let's see if we can do the sliceroo. There's the reveal. All right, close-up coming up. There it is. There's a close-up of the killer Mexican cheeseburger. Big bite coming up. There it is. It's gorgeous. Now here's the toughest part. Getting my mouth around this. Think I can do it? This is two-hander. Ready? All kinds of flavors. Pepper jack coming in. Sweetness of that tomato. Creaminess of the cheese. And mayo. The refried beans. And that burger is just delicious. Killer dollar. For more recipes like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Bada boop. Bada boop. Bada bing. Start fires. Whatever's left over, put right into your mouth. That's what she said. Sweetest of the babu. Just one thing, just put the little salsa right there. I didn't mention the salsa. It's good. Salsa bamboo.